Hey, we're revisiting this house today. This is E-09 in Carteret Mobile Park. You have this beautiful yard and the shed. And this is a double wide or multi-section. Here you have a flyer right outside the railing so that you can pick one up. So let's go in and take a look. The reason we're revisiting today is because I've kind of restaged it and modernized it, made some bright, cheerful colors, make the house really pop. So here's your living room, and you have a ceiling fan, and these are cathedral ceilings. You've got this huge open floor space, wonderful setup. You've got your side-by-side refrigerator. Let's take a look. You're going to be amazed how clean it is, how beautiful. This is a pre-owned home, but our homeowner really took meticulous care of the house, so it's almost brand new. This house has this beautiful oak cabinetry and the stainless steel sink and a never been used dishwasher. How about that? You've got a magnificent oven. Have you ever seen an oven that clean? And all the books and all the warranties are in the drawer. So let's take a look at the living room from here. Lots of space for your flat screen TV, bookcases. I'll take a look from this angle here, and you can see how spacious it really is. It's a lovely, lovely home, really bright and cheerful. I've put the shades down a little bit today so that it helps with the filming. Alright, so let's take a look down the hallway here, and on your left you have your second bedroom. So let's take a look in here. Wonderfully spacious, carpeted. Carpeting is brand new practically. Looks like he always took his shoes off, and it's always it's never been stepped on. Nobody ever had shoes on it. So this is a great second room, and across is your utility room, and this would be your washer and dryer, upper cabinetry, back door. You've got your hot water heater, and your furnace is behind this door. That is central air conditioning, and the hot air furnace runs through there. So here's your back door, and it opens up into your little shed. There's a little walkway to it. Let's get back into the house. And I don't know the condition of the washing machines, but they are included with the house. And here's your thermostats, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So here's your bathroom. This is a one-piece fiberglass unit, again in meticulous condition. It's a very spacious bathroom. Great medicine cabinet with upper lights. And then your master bedroom. So you could probably fit a king-size bed in here. There's lots of room. And again, really beautiful. We're like really pleased to show this house. And again, your walk-in closet. So this house is listed for $85,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Email me at info@dolanhomes.com. We'd love to show you this house and welcome you to Carteret Mobile Park, our wonderful community here in Middlesex County, New Jersey. Make it a great day.